So the story behind this is the VCU health system, MCV. There it is again. Parking system was using .650 for paging, on-site paging. It was like 6 watts or something. It was not a lot of power, but they're doing a lot of roof work on the buildings downtown, including the VCU facilities. And UHF antennas, VHF antennas have all been taken down. One of those antenna sets is the 147135 amateur repeater, the KC4VDZ repeater, which is now off the air. Another one is apparently for this system, but it's still in the air. Not really sure what that means. Either there's multiple antenna sites, there's a different system on the frequency altogether, or something else is going on. Obvious process of elimination is obvious, but we have to file this under a mystery system. One of many that come and go. If somebody wants to decode these POCSAG signals for me, do it in the comments below. Frequency among several others is used for I think it's American Time and Signal Company. They have a nationwide license for wireless clock systems on this frequency and several other frequencies, 464. Behaving like a little, 6 watt transmitter would. It's not a blowtorch like the VHF paging systems are. So this is very interesting.